Building your first investment portfolio feels overwhelming, thousands of options, conflicting advice everywhere. Today I am using free AI tools to build a complete beginner portfolio framework step by step. No jargon, no paid tools, no advisor required. Critical disclaimer: nothing in this video is personalized financial advice. Always do your own research and consult a qualified financial advisor. Today I am building a beginner framework using Claude AI. Step 1. Before you invest anything. The most expensive beginner mistake: investing before the foundation is solid. Before investing a single dollar, three things must be true. 1. High-interest debt is eliminated or at a manageable level. Debt at 15 to 20% interest guarantees a loss. No investment reliably beats it. 2. Emergency fund is fully funded, 3 to 6 months of expenses. Investing without one means any unexpected expense forces selling investments at a potential loss. 3. You have money you will not need for at least 5 years. Investments go up and down. Short-term money should never be in the market. Ask Claude. Am I genuinely ready to start investing? My situation is. Describe honestly. Claude will tell you whether to invest now or build the foundation first. Step 2. Assess your risk tolerance. Risk tolerance is how much volatility you can genuinely handle without making emotional decisions. It is not just about money you can afford to lose. It is about your real psychological response to watching your portfolio drop 30%. Ask Claude. Help me honestly assess my investment risk tolerance. Ask me questions about my situation, time horizon, emotional responses to market drops, and goals. Then give me a clear risk profile. Claude asks targeted questions. Based on honest answers, it categorizes you clearly. Conservative, primarily bonds and stable assets. Lower growth, lower volatility. Moderate, balanced mix of stocks and bonds. Medium growth, medium volatility. Your risk tolerance determines your entire asset allocation. Panic selling during drops is the most expensive investing mistake you can make. Step 3. Choose your asset mix based on your honest risk profile, a practical beginner framework. Conservative, 60% bonds, 30% global index fund, 10% cash equivalent. Moderate, 60% global index fund, 30% bonds, 10% other equities. Aggressive, 80% global equities, 10% bonds, 10% speculative. Claude explains each asset type in plain language. It gives specific fund examples matched to your country and profile. Key principle: start simpler than you think necessary. Step 4. Choose a platform and start. Your investment platform is where you actually purchase the investments. Ask Claude. What are the most reputable low-cost investment platforms in your country for a beginner starting with small amounts? Claude outlines the best options for your specific location. Key criteria: regulated by your financial authority, low annual fees, ability to start small, strong reputation. Starting with $25 per month is a completely valid and real portfolio. The habit of consistent investing matters far more than the initial amount. Once you have chosen a platform, set up automatic monthly contributions, same amount, same day every month, regardless of what the market is doing. This is dollar cost averaging. You buy more when prices are low, fewer when high. Step 5. Review and rebalance. Your portfolio is live. Now, or leave it alone mostly. Check it monthly, never daily. Daily checking leads to emotional decisions. Once per year, rebalance back to your target allocation. If equities have grown from 60 to 75%, sell some and buy more bonds. This mechanically forces you to sell high and buy low every year, automatically. The entire annual management process, one Claude session per year. Everything else is automatic. Contributions happen, time passes, portfolio grows, 5 steps, free AI tools. Your complete first investment portfolio framework. Before investing, eliminate high-interest debt and fund emergency fund. Assess risk tolerance honestly. Choose asset mix that matches. Start with a regulated low-cost platform and automate contributions. Review monthly, rebalance annually, leave alone otherwise. Not financial advice, educational framework. Always do your own research. Claude is free at claude.ai. All links in description. Subscribe for daily AI content. See you in next video.